Okay, so welcome to Wednesday, the 20th of January maths lesson. We'll start again with learning our 4 times table. So please pause the video here while you practice saying your 4s. Now in your exercise books or paper, please write down maths, the date and the learning objective. And here's our first thinking question. So we can see some sheep in our picture, and the sheep are shared equally between the 2 farmers. So how many sheep does each farmer have? So first of all, count up the number of sheep, and then we're going to share that by 2. Just have a think about that and then pause, and we'll have a look at the answer on the next slide. Okay, so there were 48 sheep and there were 2 farmers. We can see the image here. We've used a part whole model, and we've broken and partitioned 48 into 40 and 8. So we've got 4 10s and 8 1s. So we can divide the 10s, and we've divided them into 2 groups. So we've got 2 in each group, so that's 20. Now we divided the 1s between 2, and we can see that there are 4 in each group. So now we're going to add those 2 answers together. So we've got 20 add 4, which equals 24. So each farmer has each farmer has 24 sheep. Another thinking question. You don't need to write anything down. So now these sheep are divided equally between the pens. So each farmer had 24 sheep and they have 2 pens each. So how many sheep are in each of those pens? So here we have 24 divided by 2, which equals 12. Now we know the answer here because 2 times 12 equals 24. Over here, Astrid took a little bit more time because she decided to share the sheep one by one into the pen. So try to think about multiplication and relate that to the divide question. Okay, in your exercise book, have a go at this question here, number 1. Lexi has 39 carrots and she shares the carrots between the 3 horses. So how many carrots does each horse get? So first of all, we've got our part whole model of 39 and we've broken it into 30 and 9 1s. So first of all, 3 10s, which is 30, divided by 3 would equal how many 10s? So that's 30 divided by 3 equals how many? Then we're going to divide the 1s. So that's 9 1s divided by 3 is how many 1s? 9 times 3 equals. And then add the 2 answers together, which will give us the answer to 39 divided by 3 and tell us how many carrots each horse gets. Pause the video here and then we'll look through the answer. So we divided 3 10s by 3 and got 1 10. So 30 divided by 3 equals 10. We divided the 1s, 9 1s by 3 and got 3 1s. So that's 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And then we have 10 add 3 equals 13. So 39 divided by 3 equals 13. Each horse is going to get 13 carrots. Question 2 in exercise books, we have 68 divided by 2. Again, the part whole model, we can show 60 and 8, and we've shown this here with the rods and the cubes. So we're going to share 6 10s first of all by 2, 60 divided by 2. And then we're going to share the 1s by 2. And how many 1s? That's 68 divided by 2 equals, and then we add the answers together and we'll find the answer to 68 divided by 2. So pause the video here, have a think about it in your books, and then we'll look through the answer. So 68 divided by 2, we've got 6 10s shared by 2, which equaled 3 10s in each group. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. Then we have 8 1s divided by 2, which equals 4 1s in each group. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And our 2 answers are 30 add 4, which equals 34. So 68 divided by 2 is 34. So now it's time to do our independent task, and you can use images to help you out, the part whole model. So click on each question and pause while you work it out before moving on to the next one. So question 1, we're sharing 28 divided by 2 baskets. Break it up into 2 tens and then 8 ones shared by 2. Question 2, we have 69 divided by 3, using the part whole model, breaking up 60 and 9, and work out the tens question, then the ones question, add your totals together to find the answer to 69 divided by 3. For question 2b, we're doing 88 divided by 4. Once again, we have a part whole model here of 80 and 8. Work out how many tens divided by 4, how many ones divided by 4, add your totals together to get 88 divided by 4. So now just go back, check through your answers, ask an adult to take a clear photograph and email it to me at the end of the day, and I'll mark it and you will receive some dojos. And the next slide is our extension, which is optional. It's 85 divided by 5. Remember to divide the tens first and then the ones, and you can show your method in your books. And that's it for today. So thank you very much.